Hi, welcome back to my channel, Our Anxiety, another day living with my anxiety. How are you guys doing? So, today let's talk about our favorite topic, cardiophobia. You have clicked this video, that means you are also going through the cardiophobia and obviously the anxiety, right? So you are at the right place. Let me just share few things about cardiophobia, what had happened, which I already explained in my previous video. You can go back and you can check how it started, everything. I will, in short, I will just explain. Okay, first I got the panic attack, and then the first symptom which started fear of getting heart attack. Okay, and then that's how my cardiophobia journey has started, and that went to that extent. Like if we hear or if we see something on the social media about the heart attack, cardiac arrest, I used to get the panic attack. Even recently also I got. Okay, so it's not like I am completely out from this anxiety. No, I'm still recovering. So whatever that experience I'm sharing here. Okay, so what used to happen, if I see any videos or if I hear, or even the ambulance sound, if I hear, I used to get that fear, kind of chest tightness I used to get. And every time in the mind that thought used to come, yes, now it's your turn and you will die of the heart attack and you will get a heart attack. Even once what happened, I heard that some lady expired while taking a bath due to the cardiac arrest, and that I generalized on me. And trust me, I was so scared to take the shower also. So many days I didn't even take the shower because of that fear. So, see, these are just the fear. Okay, what we should understand here is all bodies are different. Your body is different, my body is different. If this thing happened to one person, we don't know the history of that person. Okay, so maybe he must have had some genetic issue, or he must have had some issue with the heart. Do you know that? No, we just hear and we feel like, okay, everyone are dying. It is not everyone. You might, out of 100, okay, you might hear some 6 to 7 stories. Okay, correct. So rest all 93% people are good. Okay, so but that one we will forget, and we will just take those 7% and we will be like, okay, that person got, this person got. I mean, in that out of 7 we will just consider that. But we don't know the history of them. Okay, so someone is doing gym and he collapsed and he's passed away, but we don't know the history of that person, like what he was consuming, what is his health wise, how it is, was he doing routine test, we don't know. But we are like, okay, that person got, so I shouldn't do the gym, because of the gym we are getting. No, so this is not the thing. Okay, so that's why we are getting cardiophobia. Stop generalizing. Your body is different and my body is different. Okay, and we might have any genetic issue, anything underlying issue. Okay, but everything we say that, heart attack or the cardiac arrest. And moreover, this social media, the same story you will see in all different platform, and all those comes and sits in your mind, and that's why you will have that fear. So first thing, as I said, stop generalizing. And the second one, all the bodies are different. So again, we don't know the history of those people, why they got the heart attack, we don't know. You are doing your job, you are doing your routine test, you are maintaining your diet, everything. So chill, don't worry. Okay, do not compare again. And then social media you are using, so be mindful. Okay, do not just randomly scroll everything. First, if such news coming again and again, put that in the not interested or block that for some days. Trust me, it is very helpful. okay, because already you are in that negative pattern, and again you are feeding your brain with all the negative pattern. Obviously brain will consider the positive also as a negative. Okay, so do that, and see what are the sensation we might get in the body. Okay, so what I did in the cardiophobia, I was like, a heart used to race, right, because of the panic attack, and that was my fear. What if heart get blast? Remember that our heart is not so weak. Okay, it is made so strong that it should live for 100 years. So we, because of just this heart palpitation, whatever the heart racing we get during the panic attack, you will not get any heart attack. Okay, and so many things happened, and one more thing, what I did a small experiment here. So that when that thought came, my heart used to go like 110 120, heart palpitation used to go. So I decided, let see how much my heart can hold. So I ran, okay, in the park, and my heart rate, it went to 180. Okay, I mean, it was, my heart can hold till up to 180, and I am like scared for this panic attack for the 110 or 120. So it's just our negative pattern, nothing else. And whoever is having cardiophobia, do these techniques, whatever I said. First do these three techniques, okay, and you will see the changes. Okay, so anything, let me know in the comment section how it is going on, recovery. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my blog. Bye.